Okay, dann kommen Äpfel rein.
So guys, basically sangria is mixed by wine and some fruit juice. But I took also some aromas, like for have more taste and more sangria. But normally in your home you can use one wine and some fruit juice and you can mix. But if you are going party, if you are going planning something crazy, you can mix fruit juice with tequila, vodka, whiskey.
No pressure.
Seriously.
I'm pretty sure.
After send all the group,
Yeah,
if you can.
do.
Chicken, just paper. Yes, yeah. And this is colorant. There is no taste, but this gives the orange color. We will add the rice. The rice has a traditional way to put. We will put like cross, okay? They will say it will be more delicious or something. It's like this, look, I give you one like that. They put like this, after we will mix.
What it is when you are joining.